Hi Jenny, it's Elizabeth at the CBS Evening News. I shot you a couple emails this morning. We're just trying to make sure that we have the right data for tonight's show. I'm Elizabeth Sprague. I run the research department here at the CBS Evening News, and at the beginning of the month we wanted to find out how many people are starting to enroll in the state exchanges. Initially we tried to find some federal information, but we found out that that is not going to be released, and so we decided to try and track it down state by state, and that proved to be quite a challenge. That we found out quite quickly. Each of the states actually has a different organization that tracks them, and we found out that they put the information out in multiple different forms. Some states only release information on Twitter, some on press releases, and also some just over the phone with their press officers. So it became a daily routine for us to call each state, and we put together a database. We've been trying to track down basically the number of applications that have been started, completed, processed, and finally, hopefully, how many people are enrolled in a new exchange. What we found is there's actually different definitions for these words, completed versus processed, enrolled. Some states consider someone to be enrolled if they've actually paid, but the insurance doesn't start until January, so usually they're enrolled in a payment program. So that makes it difficult to come up with a final tally of enrolled or even completed applications. We have found that there's a lot of activity on the websites, and the organizations are very willing to share with us the number of individual visitors to each of the websites, but that's basically the only number that we've been able to nail down from almost every state. There are also some states that are using the federal application, meaning we're not going to get anything from them until probably mid-November, so that's the other problem.